Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Fox Focus. I'm Andrea Williams, and this is Case or No Case. We're being joined by attorney Jeff Pitman from PKSD Law Firm. There he is. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you, Andrea?
I'm doing very well. It's good to see you, and you always have interesting scenarios for us. So what do you have today?
I do, but first I want to let people know that we're now doing the limited edition Case or No Case short sleeve t-shirt. So we're all out of the long sleeve t-shirts. It was huge. And so now we've got the short sleeve t-shirt. So if people go to the Facebook page and request it, we'll be getting them out. Okay.
Sounds good.
So the first scenario is you are driving a pickup truck and you're coming up to the street that you want to turn a left onto. And there's a median. So there's an opening there. And you start your left-hand turn, but you had to stop for oncoming traffic, and a little bit of your truck is hanging out into the travel lane. And so a car is coming along and it hits the back end of your car, and that person was pretty seriously injured as a result of that. So case or no case against you, since it was your car that was hanging out into that travel lane.
That's a good question because I see cars hanging out like that all the time. So I'm guessing there's a case.
No, there's not a case against you for having your tail end into that travel lane. So the person traveling towards your vehicle needs to maintain a lookout so that they see any cars that might be in their lane. So you might have cars that get stalled, things like that. So if they have looking forward and they do the proper lookout, they should be able to see your car and be able to avoid the crash. So unfortunately, that person is probably responsible for their own injuries in that time.
Wow, that's great information to keep in mind, and I thank you for it. If you ever need to know if you have a case or no case, just dial the 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox6now.com.